So, hello everyone. I'm very happy to announce that LibreSocial is running again. So, just to show you quickly the functionality of LibreSocial. So, what you typically have is you have some kind of profile picture, you have a background picture, you can add some kind of information on yourself. You can edit who is allowed to see it, so whether it should be only for you, your friends, or public. That you can specify for any kind of data. Then you have a friends list, so unfortunately I'm just alone now in the network. You can have a wall where you cannot specify your entries, so you can describe what you're doing. Add some files, specify for whom you want to publish it, and also dedicated individuals. So I have no friends list currently, so it will be public. Let's say everybody is allowed to have it. And you can also decide whether it should be pushed to your friends or not. So up to now we will just have a simple recording, a simple entry. And what you can also do, this is quite a difficult task, that you can comment the entries also of your friends, so everything that you basically see on the walls. Then you have the photos, where you can upload, as a first create an album, make a description, also specify for whom it should be accessible. And a sample album is here called lectures, where I uploaded some of the pictures I have. And so you can see basically what these pictures are. Okay. So in the background, the details are stored. Great. Why did I save it? I think so. Is it? Okay, I needed to press enter. Okay, what else do we have? Obviously, we can also edit the album and modify data. Up here we have further information. So first of all, there's coming back to our wall, then we have our profile, and then we have your messages that also pop up if you have a new entry. So we have an inbox and an outbox. So again, I'm just sending myself emails. Let's write an email. So I could select from my friends list, but I send it only to myself. With the friends, it's equal. So just a simple setup is easier. You can also add some files. So for example, this is a file that I have already uploaded. I can upload another file. Let's select one. Yeah, maybe from this region. Nice. City is now uploaded, it's now attached, and later I can select it from here as well. I have also here further elements that I've already uploaded, so some lectures that you will see soon. There's the new message, so I can have a look at it. Very nice. And I can download I can download the image. Also have it, of course, here my outbox, and if I remember correctly, I can also add here some labels which act as folders for my emails. So I added here now friends, and then I can assign it to that folder. I'm pretty sure. Yes, I have to make it this way. So, and now it is here, and I can basically then filter my emails. Okay, then we have also groups. A group is something like an online folder. It's a group. I mean, you can add friends, and you can add folders. So you can, as I've added here, yeah, and then you can upload elements. You can also have subfolders and further files, and then basically you have some kind of file storage stored in the peer-to-peer network. What we also have here is a group forum, so you can state some questions, as I've done here. Hi guys, I've somehow forgot the ISO layers. Can you help me? And then you can add the answer. So it's all HTML, so I can also use here links. So very simple. Okay, then we have the files. These are the files that have been uploaded up front, so over the time. So I can send. That's maybe nice. So I can either download, but I can also send via a message to somebody. So I send it to myself. Okay, yeah, and then I can add here maybe something else. Okay. Oh, and I got the message. Let's have a look. Oh, I got the message with the links. So as you see down there, these are files that can be retrieved from the network. Okay, what else can I do with the files? Maybe to send via the message. No, that's what we did just now. We send it via the wall, so I can add it to my wall. I like this image very much. Post. Great. Okay, what else do we have besides the files? And we have a vote plugin. So here you can create a vote. So for example, I created here one. How do you like the lectures? And it's a creator. You can invite further people. And then you can take a... So you have, in this case, 5 votes, but you can configure it, obviously. So I like it. It's great. And then I have the full overview, and if somebody else takes another vote, then it's updated. And you can also have a calendar where you can add entries. So basically, let's say video recording, and this should be an overview. We begin today at oh, it's quite late. Okay, let's take this and we will push it to the maximum also today. Oh, maybe we take some further time for it, so we will record over some time. And then you see you have a calendar which eventually should be a little bit reshaped, but at least you have the overview, and this can be then also later shared. So LibreSocial provides quite some overview. It's a social network that fully operates on the machines of the users. There's no server involved, and yeah, I'm happy that it's running again. So it's a great news that we have here. Thank you very much for listening.